How to use your trainer and designer. Now let's talk about the second awesome plugin software that you got from us, known as SimpleDESIGNER. I'm going to go pretty quickly, so feel free to go back and watch portions of this video again. The new template button will show you a few hundred starting points. Think of these templates as just a logo layout that you'll soon customize. Pretty much all of our graphics come in at least 3 versions: a black and white, 2-color, or really 1-color for many production processes, a vector color version, typically 5 or 6 colors, and a gradient or digital version. This third category means that the image will have bitmap or pixelated parts to the art, or it will have many vector colors and possibly some digital effects such as shadowing. Designer's browser windows also have some category options at the top, as well as a search tool, for you to find exactly what it is you're looking for. Note the Browse Files button at the bottom of our window. This will allow you to bring in any graphic from anywhere on your computer. Yes, that means you can use other clip art, your client's logo, or some templates you bought 10 years ago. With an image loaded in Corel, Designer will automatically scan the page for pretty much everything you might want to change about it. The Rescan Page button at the top will reassess all of the art in the document if you were to manually import other graphics as well. You can import more images, and you can undo your last steps. Note that Designer is so smart that even when it performs dozens of steps with one button, you can undo them all with just one click, or by hitting Ctrl-Z on your keyboard. The Art Groups section finds all grouped elements. You can either click on the group in the list and it'll show you on screen what's selected, or you can click on the part of the art you want and it'll highlight it in the list. Depending on what is selected at the time, the Replace Clipart button will bring up that import browser again and place whatever you choose in the exact location of the previous art. There are thousands of options, so just keep just keep scrolling. You can also just remove whatever is selected with the Delete Group button. Type in any new text you'd like and Designer will keep its font, angle, arch, outline, etc. Or you can change these manually in Corel. The color changing section is pretty awesome. You're going to love this. The default will show all of the used colors in the document in 2 columns so that you can simply click on as many colors as you'd like in the first column to replace with any color in the second. But wait, it gets better. You can choose to shift the second column to any color palette in CorelDRAW, including Pantones. But wait, it gets even better. The new Convert to Palette button will use AI to automatically determine the closest color within the color mode you need it to be in one click of the mouse. Pretty awesome, eh? For simpler jobs, use the black and white button to let Designer consolidate all of your light colors into white and dark colors into black. Then use the Invert B and W button to reverse them. One color jobs, easy sauce. Reverse print depth for laser engraving? No sweat. Note that any digital elements in your design will be automatically converted to grayscale. The Patterns section is about to knock your socks off. Add Overlay places one of dozens of cool effects over the top of your entire design. You can choose either black or white, but they're all vector, so you can easily add color if you'd like. Overlay Inside needs you to first select something vector, as to place that cool look inside of just the area or group you clicked on first. This is a shortcut to power clipping. The Soften buttons work very similar to the overlays, except now they're going to punch all the way through your graphic as to give a softer hand or a neat graphic effect showing the substrate on the other side. Yep, there's more. You made a great investment. The presentations feature of Designer are really going to take your business to the next level. Show Product button will give you several hundred product blanks to show your art on. Hold down Control when clicking on up to 4 at a time. Designer will create a second page with these so you can go back to page 1 to access your original art. Feel free to ungroup things to maybe turn the art a bit or resize. The Proof Proposal button, you guessed it, will then present all your products with the art on a professional proposal form, automatically, with all your company information and logo on it. Note that you can skip the product step and jump straight to showing the art on an art proof form as well. The Watermark button will change your cursor. Drag across your graphic or entire proposal form to throw your transparent logo over the top of it. Then the Send PDF button skips many steps for you by flattening your last page and saving as an easily sendable PDF file to your customers. You already explored the Settings button when you first installed everything and entered your license key, but maybe now is a good time to save your company info and logo. Hit Save, by the way. The Ask Trainer button in Designer functions similarly to the one in our Trainer software. Of course, you can search for video answers. We're really good at that, so you can find what you need right away. Or you can send us a question and someone will get back to you via email ASAP. Hoo-wee! Pretty great, right? You've made an excellent decision to invest in your art department with Corel Trainer and SimpleDESIGNER. Have fun learning, designing, and building the graphics capabilities of your company. We'll see you all in class.